on, Chelsea. You can do it.
I can't do it.
You can do it. If you can fit under the fence, you can fit under this.
Shut up. Ow.
Who was that?
That's scary. Oh no, this is not okay. Oh jeez. Oh no. I probably shouldn't have.
You made it this far. Just
Oh, Jesus.
You can do it! Come on, Chelsea. No, you're so close. Here, let's take a look at her face. Oh no, this is not okay. You can do it. Oh no. Hey, Brandon, can you get the chair, please, and help me? Come on, Chelsea. Wait. Wait, I can do it. It hurts. Just fall.